Hello friends, I'm Varun Vohra and welcome to my channel IT with Varun Vohra to master the fundamentals. Friends, as we move forward in our ITGC journey, where we started Information Security ITC category, under which we are done with vulnerability management control area testing across server and database layer, along with the next steps, what to do when you identify a finding or deficiency in vulnerability management testing. Today friends will learn the mitigating controls related to vulnerability management testing, and as I say in all my videos, this knowledge is not available in any book or over the web, so please try to understand these concepts thoroughly. So before we dive into the topic, let us first understand the term mitigating or compensating controls, which simply means to have other controls which can mitigate or reduce the risk.